So I'm here working on, you won't see this part of it. It's really blurry. I don't know why it's so blurry. There we go. What I'm working on is we'll have to paint it there some more. When your train passes through the Grand Canyon Suite at Disneyland, this is the window that will be there, and of course you got your dinosaurs and everything over there. I gotta clear it up. I need to put some toothpaste on it. I will clean that right up. And then you'll be able to see as the train passes by past here, because this will all be covered, the animals, and I'll have you on the Grand Canyon diorama as this is what you will see on the inside is the roof line. The only thing is I'm not sure where the window goes. Does it go here? Here, like this? Or does it go on the other side of the bridge? Facing this way. Either way, I'll get it figured out. And you'll get to hear that music playing as the train passes by. And what am I using to make the window lamps? Orange juice container. So I'm working on the diorama again for my Disneyland layout in N scale. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe right over here somewhere. Right down here, I believe. To subscribe. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad.